What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Gad Talks. Today we are going to be taking a basic walkthrough and a review of the W34, which is also known as the IWO 8 Lite smartwatch. So this smartwatch has both smartwatch and fitness tracker functions, which is pretty impressive for the price range of somewhere between $20 and $30. I will have my affiliate link in the video description below, which will take you to trusted websites and sellers, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you when you purchase this watch off my affiliate link. And if you guys have not yet already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming out with new regular videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. So make sure you guys don't miss out on that. And if you are a retailer or manufacturer and want me to do a review on your product, you can feel free to leave me a comment in the video description, in the video comment section below, and I will get back to you promptly. Now let's begin. We're going to take a basic look and review of just what the features on the smartwatch is. So the smartwatch comes in a detachable band that's actually very detachable. So what happens is you actually just slide the band onto this little slot right here on both sides, and you can come up with your watch band. I'm not sure how steady it is, because it seems like, you know, the watch band could slide out during something that's more intensive, but I think for something walking or like something that's not too intensive or just hanging out, I think that would serve you well. And the watch band here comes with the little button instead of the standard watch bands. In a sense, I kind of do prefer the other watch bands, because this one's a little it just doesn't seem like it's very easy to go through and to put it on yourself, but we're gonna try it anyways. Okay, here you go. So this watch comes with a gesture control. So what that means is you can basically just wave your wrist and your watch will come on. You don't have to press any kind of buttons. So let's let this watch go off first, and then I'll show you. It actually seems pretty sensitive for the gesture control, so that's good. There you go. So once you wave your wrist, it will come on. Just like this. I actually like it when the gesture control is more sensitive than not, because if it's not too sensitive, you're going to have to wave your wrist a few times before the watch face comes on. Now let's check out some of the features that this watch has to offer. This is one of the watch faces that it comes with, which looks pretty nice. Let's see if I hold down on the watch face. Would that be the function to actually call on other watch faces on this watch? No, it's not. Okay. So let's see. I am going to right swipe on the default watch face, and it looks like it's going to come up with your fitness functions. Let's see if we go down here. So there's actually more than just your fitness functions. You're going to have your fitness functions listed first, and then it's going to start getting to weather, messages, music, timer. So not too many other functions other than, you know, what's shown here. So if you have an Android smartwatch, you can definitely expect more functions than a watch like this. But hey, this watch goes for, you know, about $20 to $30. So I was not expecting too much. If you want to actually adjust some of the settings for your watch, you can go through other. This watch screen is way too sensitive. Let's see if that's where we can adjust some of the settings on this watch. No, that's not. That would just lead you back to the default watch face. Now let's down swipe and see what's there. It seems like this would be the different watch faces. If you down swipe, you can check out some of the other watch faces, but there aren't too many. So there's 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 watch faces that comes with this watch. To my understanding, you can't really download additional watch faces on this watch because you cannot go online. Now, you're gonna have a sleep monitor over here when you left swipe, or right swipe. Yep, that's your sleep monitor. And then down swipe would also take you back to watch faces, just like up swipe. So that's basically all the functions on this smartwatch. We can check out how some of these functions work. This watch does come with a heart rate monitor and a blood pressure monitor. But please, these monitors are not medical devices, so please cross-reference these readings that you get from these monitors before trusting it, but they are not medical devices, and so you should not rely on them like a medical device, especially for your heart rate and blood pressure, especially if you have a condition. So that goes for basically all the functions on this watch. It's actually very simple to navigate. I like the resolution of the screen. It's a very nice watch for its price. I do think, the watch bands could have more variations because I don't really like the button watch bands. But this watch does come with 2 other colors in terms of its watch bands and case. It comes with white and pink. So there's 2 other variations. If you ask me if this watch is worth the money, yes, I do think it's worth about $20 to $30. It's actually a pretty nice watch. And you can get it with the video with my affiliate links in the video description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.